for example, let's say if I want to add a data quality test, more often than not, like the strategy that I've seen being used is we get a sample of the production data and we keep it somewhere where we can easily use it to run our data quality tests. But then you have to keep that sample up to date. And that can be hard when the data is moving fast. And so you end up thinking about, is it even worth doing these sorts of things? You have to run into these sorts of questions around like, okay, we could make the system super, like have a lot of coverage. We could build a system with all the bells and whistles, but it's research still. You have to keep that in mind that a lot of these projects start off as proof of concepts that we need to get into prod as quickly as possible, but we don't know if we're going to keep it there. We don't know if we're going to then worry about automating the training part. We don't know how much work we need to put in so early. And more often than not, you're kind of in a rush to get to production that you make these decisions that often accumulate technical debt. So I think MLOps is about trying to do this quickly in integrating changes, delivering to customers in a way where you're not accumulating all that debt, where you are from the get-go thinking about production, but also doing it in such a way where you're being practical, you're not over-optimizing, you're keeping things simple, and you're iterating on imperfect solutions. You're never going to have it all good from the beginning. And I think that especially is relevant to testing.